Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we are showing you how to prepare your zucchini in the simplest but most elegant way. We hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. So the first step is 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Then you're going to put in 2 cloves of garlic, which you're going to fry with your oil for about 2 to 3 minutes just to aromatize the oil. Then you're going to chop up 2 medium-sized zucchinis and put them in the oil with your garlic still in there. I kind of burnt my garlic, but you can still leave it in there and just fry this. So we're going to fry our zucchini until we lose that white color that you can see, until it is almost translucent, as you would pretty much say. So covering it up to promote the cooking with the steam and turning it from time to time. So we're going to do this for about 10 minutes. As you can see, your zucchini is almost done, but we can still see some pieces that still look white as before. So we are going to cover this up for another minute or two, turning it from time to time to make sure it doesn't burn. So our zucchini is cooked at this point. You can see, you cannot see that whiteness anymore. So removing our garlic, we're going to spice it with a little bit of chopped parsley, freshly chopped parsley, and some salt. And to finish this off, we're going to put in some black pepper. So at this point, your plate should be on very low heat because you do not want to overcook the spices. So mixing everything up really well. Our zucchini is cooked. Our zucchini is ready. So this could be a portion for 2. I would say a portion for 1 or 2, depending on how much you would like to eat. So our zucchini is cooked. It tastes great. It tastes elegant. It has got this nice elegant taste about it. So I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as we did. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.